This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. Have you received a letter in the mail from a mortgage company stating that you're already eligible, claiming extremely low interest rates, low APR for the cost of X number of points? How do they know what rate you qualify for? What is APR and what are points? While this type of advertising isn't false, it's important to know all the facts before jumping in with both feet. They hook you with the low interest rate, but if you don't know what APR and points are, you could be blindsided with high closing costs or fees once you're in the loan process. Even if you have the assets, don't pay high costs unnecessarily. Interest rate and APR are two different numbers that reflect mortgage cost. The interest rate is the cost of borrowing the principal loan amount. This rate can be fixed or variable, but it's always expressed as a percentage. Annual percentage rate, or APR, is a broader measure of the cost of a mortgage. The APR on your mortgage is the interest rate on your loan plus all the costs such as origination fees, discount points, and some closing costs, and it's also expressed as a percentage. The factors that affect your APR are credit score, debt-to-income ratios, time frame, points, and closing costs. Points are a fee that you can pay at the start of the loan to lower the interest rate. Each point paid will reduce the interest rate by approximately 0.25% and will cost you approximately 1% of the loan amount. Most potential home buyers don't know when they are shopping for rates. Some banks or lenders quote you a very low rate with points already built in to buy down the interest rate. Until your credit profile and long-term goals are discussed, there is no way to know if this is the best way to go for your specific situation. At JTS & Company, we believe an interest rate is a tool to help meet your goals and only matters if your loan closes. Let's sit down and discuss your specific situation and long-term goals to determine what's the best path to take for your mortgage. We have been seeing a positive sentiment from consumers about home buying, as mortgage applications have been steadily increasing and mortgage rates are extremely favorable. According to a Freddie Mac forecast, this year's healthy home sales data, low mortgage rates, and robust job market will top 2018 levels. The environment we live in today is very fast-paced, and we want everything to happen right now in microwave time. The home buying process expectations are no different, but there are a lot of moving parts, regulations, and details to consider. It's worth having JTS & Company on your side. Let's sit down face-to-face to discuss your concerns, questions, and goals. You shouldn't have to become your own loan officer to purchase a home, but you should understand what you're signing and committing to for the next 15, 20, or even 30 years. If you want to purchase or refinance your home, give us a call today. If you have questions on how to get started, we hope you'll join us at the Homebuyer Seminar Saturday, June 1st at 10 a.m. It will be at the Crowlight Properties Unlimited office on Highway 45 in Columbus. Don't trust the home buying process to a national 1-800 lender that you can't sit down with face-to-face. At JTS & Company, we've been making homeownership easy since 1996 and want to help you become the next homeowner. We are local, trusted, and experienced, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Professionals.